Hi friends, welcome to another story from Learning Languages with us 24/7. In today's story we'll be following our couple as they do their weekly shop, the decisions they make and interactions they have.
Hey babe, do you have the shopping list?
Yes, I have it here.
Great, can you check it has vegetables? We need onion and courgette for that lasagna, milk, cheese. Actually, can you read it out?
Sure, onions, salad leaf, tomatoes, courgette, mushrooms, eggs, bread, milk, cheese, butter, sandwich filler, crisps, pasta, tea, bin bags. Anything missing?
Oh yes, coffee.
Coffee, yes of course. Adding it now.
Thanks. Let's shop. Okay, first item?
Tomatoes.
How many?
6 should do. And peppers?
Yes, they will go with tonight's dinner.
What are we having?
I thought pasta and roasted vegetables.
Pasta sounds good. Maybe add some chickpeas for protein?
Perfect, easy and healthy.
Oh dear, it seems we are blocked. Excuse me sir, would you please move your trolley?
Oh gosh, I am very sorry. Yes, of course. There, can you get through now?
Yes, thank you.
No problem.
Where's the coffee?
I think it's in the next aisle. Here we are.
Shall we get the usual?
I'd like to try something a little stronger.
Okay, this one says it's strength 5 and suitable for espresso.
Let's try that one. Brilliant, let's go to the checkout.
Hello. Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, thank you.
It's very busy today.
Yes, Saturday afternoons are always busy. Did you need any bags?
No, thank you, we brought our own. All packed.
Okay, I'll pass you stuff.
Did you guys want your receipt?
Yes, please. Thank you.
You are very welcome. Thank you for shopping with us today.
Okay, all done.
Let's go to the car. That was a lot of shopping.
Yes, but now we don't need to shop again this week.
I hope you are right.
I'm hungry.
Yes, me too.
Let's go home and cook dinner.
Yes, and maybe we can watch a movie later?
Oh yeah, I'd really like that.
That's it friends. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And check out our other videos.